All right, my love. Thank you so much for joining me again. I'm really coming to you guys in a rush. I am 10 minutes from leaving the house. We're going out tonight. My hands are itchy. I don't know where my lotion is. It's a lot going on, and I got a wig by Unice Hair.
You and I know you ain't about that life. Drop with me now.
So I'm your girl, Intisar, Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. I'm going to run right through this unit. I was so graciously provided a 3-dimensional body wave wig. We're sitting on my mannequin head just to the side. I don't know what it's looking like back here, but I've been getting dressed, y'all, so forgive your girlfriend. But this unit is a 3-dimensional body wave wig, and I think that really has to do with the styling. I am waiting to the last minute because we're going to put this to the test. It's a 7x5 lace frontal wig, okay? 7x5, quite a bit of lace. We don't have any combs on the side. We have adjustable straps, Wakanda forever, okay? And we have the latex being at the bottom to make sure that this will actually stick on the side. But get into the lace. She looks a little bright for me. I'm going to just throw her on. Let's see what we're working with. Okay. So again, she's a 7x5. She's already kind of, there we go. So we definitely need to darken up our lace. It's really sad to me that there is no combs. Because this, to me, does not feel snug. But I'm going to shut my baby tape mouth and get into it, okay? I'm just going to shut up, get this wig together, and get the hell on the road.
So Unice Hair so graciously provided us with a ton of goodies, including this Unice robe that I typically would have on, but I'm ready to go. A bag for our wig. We also received the actual construction of the cap, which is super important. It gives you a good look. And these are the knots, guys. So we have the bye-bye knots as well as the actual normal knots, and there is such a massive difference. They put so many goodies into this unit, I couldn't even take it. So let me keep it a beam with you guys. I really wanted to, I watched this video and then I came back and thought, I had a first impression of this unit and then I had, let me live with it, right? And my first impression was that this unit needed a bit of love, sex, and magic. Okay? Let's keep it a beam. She needed love, sex, and magic. And what I experienced while wearing this unit was nothing but compliments. I received so many compliments on this unit. It was not even funny. The girls loved the hair, okay? Everybody kept asking me, like, girl, that lace. I was asked several times, was this a sew-in? Like, everything. So I was really, really happy with how this turned out, even though I did minimal work to this, and I did minimal work to this on purpose. I really like to see how things are going to turn out fresh out the pack. We all know we can style a situation up, but what does it look like for the girls who want to do minimal work? If I am investing in a 7x5, it is because I am not the girly who is going to be curling things down. I'm the girl on the go, okay? And I wanted to give you girl on the go in this, and I think I did. Now, this unit is going for around $300 on Unice.com. So she is relatively expensive, but she's very lightweight. The texture of the hair is beyond. I would give that a 10. The lace is a 10. There was some small hairs on the cap that I did not love. And I feel like that needs to be, obviously triaged. However, if there was a sale and we have a discount, I would grab this Mammy Tappan wig.
At first meeting this unit, it's mid. There's some hairs up in here that are smaller that really are sticking out and they shouldn't be. I don't understand that. I don't normally like to put product on my wigs, but I'm going out, so I need this, I don't want the curls to be all the flyaways to be present. So I'm just adding a little heat with my Andy straightening comb. I did use my Fantasia liquid mousse. I'm obsessed with this stuff. It takes me back to my childhood, if I'm being honest. And I'm just going through and adding heat. The 3D curl, I love the idea of this. I love the idea of an easy styled wig already. But I'm going to be honest, I'm not styling this on purpose, but I normally would. This is what she looks like fresh out. Period. This is what she looks like. So I feel like that's the best I got, y'all. Like, I don't feel like she's like, they say 24 inches, but she feels short. But I guess if you do curl up 24 inches, this is what it looks like. No, I can't just leave it like this. It's going to drive me nuts, guys.
So adding a little bit of heat to this unit did definitely do a major service. Although I believe that this wig is meant to be worn on the go, it is really truly meant for you to take advantage of those three-dimensional curls. And I do believe the curls set the tone for the way that the curls laid when I added them. So I do think that it was beneficial for them to be there. And for some people who could just throw on and go, it would really work. I wanted more defined curls. That's just who I am. And it did, when you combed them out, gave you a nice little Hollywood wave, which I love. Okay? But I do think it requires just a tinge of finesse and finishing on the unit. Okay? So this one did take a little bit more work than I think I anticipated it to.
Okay. Maybe it did need a little bit of heat. I didn't want to, though, because I feel like that's not what this is for, but it looks like it needed it. So I'm just going to add a couple more curls in the front. I'm not going to do too much because, like I said, this was really supposed to take 10 minutes. And by my standards, it's not. But that's okay because the lace piece is done. I did use bobby pins to get this unit together because I felt like for me and how I want to go out and feel secure, she just didn't feel that secure to me. Like, it needs combs, but that's an easy fix. Like, you can just put combs in your wig. It's not that deep. You know what I mean? So I'm just going through and a tendril or two. Okay. I'll do one up here. And I'm just doing these in big sections because I don't need it to look completely finished. We're just hitting the streets. And this is really supposed to be something that's like already kind of constructed and ready to go for the girls. And I want to treat her like that, to be honest. Like, I don't want to give her too much attention because they told me I didn't have to. They told me I didn't have to. I gave you guys a brief view of like what the differences are between like the bye-bye knot lace. Okay, like this is stunning. She is pre-plucked. She is bleached. We love all of that for us because it just makes for a seamless install. Okay. I'm just gonna brush her down. And we just gonna go. I'm gonna just leave her alone. We're not gonna do too much. Okay. That's the best I got with her. The best I got. Okay. So my name is Intisar Eleanor. Let me turn around real quick for the girls. Don't judge my pillow. Can you see? It's not too bad. It's not too bad. I just kind of expected a little bit more. And that's my truth. Like, I expected a tinge more. But that could be a me thing. You know what I mean? So, yeah. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Do me a favor. Bust down. Subscribe to this Made Me Take Me channel. We got to still work on this one. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye!